This is a 2012 Dodge Ram. We're taking out the third mount brake light here and also the cargo lights. So we have 3 lights in total. The just mounted in with 2 Phillips screws. These sockets twist counterclockwise to come out, and then the light bulbs just press in. Now, these bulbs are, I forget the exact number on them. They're, I'll tell you in a minute when I go grab them. But when you're in here, just clean this here, clean all the dirt and stuff off. You can see it's got a foam seal around it, but a lot of times dirt and stuff will get in there. And then what happens is when it rains, all the water goes in here and it'll soak into the headliner and give you water stains in the headliner. So make sure you clean that when you go to put it back. Just watch too, because a lot of these bulbs, when they blow, they will break like this one, and you could possibly cut your finger. So just be very, very careful. Use some needle nose pliers if you have to. And I like to put a little bit of dielectric grease on these contacts here because they're infamous for getting all corroded. Moisture and stuff gets in there and they're not protected at all. So I'm just gonna go grab the right light bulb. I'll be right back. Okay, so these are 921 light bulbs. That's the number of them. So you just stick these in here, turn them clockwise. Make sure your tabs line up. This is a farm truck, so I'm really not worried about this. But on yours, you should clean it. I'm telling you. And you just tighten these things down, and you turn on your lights and check them, and everything should be good.